Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a cover image for your lead magnet. Okay, so we're going to use Canva to do this. This is a free tool. You can just go to www.canva.com, create a free account for yourself, log in, and then you'll see yourself on this screen. Okay, the first thing we want to do is we can scroll down, and the one I like to use is the one that's called a Wattpad book cover. Okay, so you can click on that and that will open up a template for you, which is the book cover. So it's a blank screen, and then there's a bunch of layouts here. Canva makes it really easy for you to create a really nice looking cover. You can just select any of the covers that you see in here. You can design your own. I'm going to pick one that stands out for me, so maybe this one, alright, just so I can show you as a demo. I'm going to create a lead magnet for my influencer kit, so I'll call this Amplify Your Influence Cover. Click Done, so that just changes the name of the document. And in here I'll type in Amplify Your Influence Kit. Alright, now the font's a little bit big for this, so I'll make it say 32 or even a 28. Okay, I'll obviously change the name of the author to myself. Oop. Like so. Alright, and here I want to make that say free and shrink that text so it fits in there, and I'll just quickly delete that and just reposition. Now I want to change the colors, of course, to match some of my branding colors, so more like there, and this one as well. Okay, and the last thing is I want to change the image, because this is the one that came. Now I could leave it like that and that's fine, but I want more of a representative image of what I'm creating, so I can go to this was one of my favorite free stock images sites. It's called Pixabay. So you can go to pixabay.com, type in your search phrase. So for me, I want an image that has something like an audience in there, because if you want to amplify influence, then you're going to need an audience. So I'll just scroll through and find one that stands out for me, something like this. Alright, so there you go. I love that it's got community up there and then a bunch of people here, so I'll click on download. Pick the medium size. The nice thing about Pixabay is that it's free to use any of the images. You don't need to, you see here, free for commercial use. You don't need to attribute where it's come from, and that way you're not going to get into copyright issues or anything like that, having anyone follow up with you and try and sue you because you've used their images. So once the file is downloaded, you can open it up, and what you do is you basically drag that into here. Okay, so it drags into the upload section. You can see that this particular icon is showing that it's still uploading. Okay, when it's complete, that wavy bubbly thing will disappear. There you go, so it's full now. I can close this, and what you do is simply click on the image and drag it across into here, so it replaces the old image. See that? And there you go. And then what Canva does, it actually converts it to black and white automatically, which is its own. The template is designed to do that. You can obviously change the coloring and everything else, but I like it like this because it makes my text stand out, and the image is fine. But I don't like. I could even leave it as that and just say Unity, or I can click on crop, and it allows me to pan across, right? So. And I can then choose community. There you go. So this is community. I'm happy with that. Maybe I'll just crop it a little bit, move it there, so it's more community, so it's more clear what that says. Alright, that's it. Quick and easy. Took me less than a couple of minutes. I'll click download, change it to PNG, and click download. And Canva will then send that image down to my hard drive. Once it, there you go, design is ready. They downloaded that. I can click on that to open it up. That's what it looks like. There you go, very quick and easy. I now have a cover for my lead magnet. All right, now I can leave it just like that, or I can do something else, which I prefer to do, which is actually turn that cover into a 3D version of it. All right, so now there's some tools online that are free that you can use. I found one here. It's called it's from A Dazzling Book Marketing by CJ McDaniel. He's got a free ebook cover creator. Right, and you can see here there are different variations of this of the cover you can choose. I'll leave a link to this site down below for you. Okay, and then what I want is this one. All right, I click next, and then it says, you know, you can upload, you can use a link, or you can create a cover. I'm just going to choose upload because we've already downloaded it. We already have the image file. Click choose file. I think it was ebook. Let's see, what did we call it? It was Amplify. Okay, so let's go choose file, search for Amplify. There you go. That's the one we want, right? We'll click on open, and then we make sure the file name's there. We'll click on next, and then it's going to ask you for an email address. Now, if you don't want to get spammed, and you're worried about giving your email address to someone, and you don't want that kind of thing to happen, you can go to this website called gorillamail.com, which is one that I use to generate a temporary email address. Okay, it's a disposable temporary email address. It helps you avoid spam, and it disappears after some time. All right, and what you do is basically just click on copy to clipboard, and it copies this temporary email address for you. You can come into here, put in a name, paste in the temporary email address, click next, and then hit generate my cover. Okay, so there you go. Cover mockup is on its way, and what you'll see is it's refreshing in 1 second. There it is. It's just arrived. I click on this link, click on download your mockup, and you'll see there's the cover. Alright, so it's been turned into a 3D version of the image. So that's how you've created, that's a pretty quick and simple tutorial on how you can create a 3D cover image. And we also had a 2D version. So we've got this 2D version, and then we've got a 3D version that you can use for your lead magnet. Alright, so go away, give that a go. I'll put the links below to the tools that I've mentioned, and if you really liked what I've done and shown you here, please leave a comment and share this video obviously with other people who might be able to use it as well. Okay, and I will see you next time.